Tired of missing that satisfying click when you type on your iPhone? Let's dive into making your iPhone keyboard clicks delightfully louder with a quick adjustment in your settings. First, unlock your iPhone and navigate to the Settings app. It's the icon that looks like gears. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Now, look for the section labeled Keyboard Feedback. Within this section, you'll see an option for sound. Tap on the sound toggle if it's not already active, ensuring it's green. This enables the keyboard click sound. To increase the volume of these clicks, simply tap and drag the slider next to sound towards the right. You'll hear the clicks get progressively louder as you move it. Experiment with the slider until you find the perfect volume that gives you that satisfying auditory feedback while you type. And that's it. Your iPhone keyboard clicks are now louder and more noticeable. Enjoy your enhanced typing experience.